My baby swallows have flown their nest, and although they come back once or twice a day in a great gang, I think the whole family swooping round and flying in and out of the building, they're definitely not here anymore. So that's part one. I feel quite sad about it, but I suppose I can soon get on with converting this space. Now I think the baby's still here on this side. There goes the mummy. Did you see that? Sorry about that, mummy. I'm not doing anything nasty. Yeah, there's a baby here in this nest. One or two, maybe three. Different kind of bird, I'm not sure what they are. Something slightly different. Maybe a swift or something. Or maybe the other one is, what do I know? Anyway, I leave them now.